Blaze AI, best AI writer for blogs, copy, and content. That's the question we're answering today. So, if you're a blogger, marketer, or entrepreneur looking for a quick and easy way to create SEO friendly content, Blaze AI might just be the tool you've been searching for. Blaze AI is a powerful writing assistant built for speed, structure, and simplicity. It helps generate a variety of content, including blog posts, websites, copy, emails, product descriptions, and social media captions. Whether you're crafting a quick caption or outlining a blog, Blaze AI keeps things fast and focused. So, what makes Blaze AI a contender for the best content writer? It has pre built templates, blog intros, full articles, landing pages, and copy, SEO integration, keyword tools, and optimized structure suggestion. It also has tone customization where you can set your content tone to professional, witty, or friendly. And also, it has multilingual support, which is great for international users. With a clean, user friendly interface, Blaze AI is easy to navigate even for beginners. When is Blaze AI actually good? Let's break it down. It has blog content, which is especially great for outlines and intros, social media posts, which delivers quick, catchy captions, product description, which is fast and optimized for conversion. It has long form content, which might need a human touch, and technical writing is not its strong suit. So let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros include that it's fast and beginner friendly, ideal for e-commerce and marketing, time-saving templates, SEO optimized for basic blog content, budget friendly compared to competitors. But the cons are that it is not as flexible as ChatGPT for custom prompts. It requires editing to improve tone and flow. It may lack originality if overused. So is Blaze AI the best AI writer for blogs, copy, and content? If you need fast, structured, and SEO-ready content, Blaze AI is a strong pick, especially for marketers and small business owners. Just remember, use Blaze AI as a starting point and add your own creativity to stand out. Pair Blaze AI with SEO tools like Surfer SEO or Ubersuggest to take your content even further. So, what do you think? Could Blaze AI replace your content writing workflow? Let us know in the comments below, and if this review helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a content tool review. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.